Hello children. Now in this session we will discuss the construction of quadrilaterals chapter. First, what is a quadrilateral? A quadrilateral is a closed plane figure bounded by four line segments. For example, in the following figure ABCD shown here is a quadrilateral. A line segment drawn from one vertex of a quadrilateral to the opposite vertex is called a diagonal of the quadrilateral. For example, in the above figure, AC is a diagonal of quadrilateral ABCD and also BD is also a diagonal. Types of quadrilaterals and their properties. Once we will revise. There are 6 basic types of quadrilaterals. First one is rectangle. All of you know very well. In rectangle, opposite sides are parallel and equal. All angles are 90 degrees. The diagonals bisect each. Second one, square. In square, opposite sides are parallel and all sides are equal. All angles are 90 degrees. Diagonals bisect each other at right angles. Third one, parallelogram. Opposite sides are parallel and equal. Opposite angles are equal. Diagonals bisect each other. Children, what I am telling, you have to note down in your notebook. Fourth one, rhombus. All sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel. Opposite angles are equal. The diagonals bisect each other at right angle. Fifth one, trapezium. A trapezium has one pair of opposite sides parallel. A regular trapezium has non-parallel sides equal and its base angles are equal as shown in the following diagram. Next one, kite. Two pairs of adjacent sides are equal. One pair of opposite angles are equal. Diagonals intersect at right angles. The longest diagonal bisects the shortest into two equal parts. Children, all of you write down the properties in your notebook. This is the flow chart for quadrilaterals, which is very important. All of you note down in your notebooks, children, and read it carefully. Draw this flow chart in your notebooks and color it with different colors. The shapes of quadrilaterals, color it with different. For constructing a quadrilateral, we require 5 measurements. Children, note down this point also. For constructing a quadrilateral, we require 5. Write down this point also. For constructing a quadrilateral, we require 5 measurements. It's a very important bit also. For constructing a quadrilateral, we require 5 measurements. Constructing a quadrilateral, we would draw quadrilaterals when the following measurements are given. First one, when 4 sides and 1 angle are given, that is SSSSA rule. Second one, when 4 sides and 1 diagonal are given, that is SSSSD. Third one, when 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given, that means SSSDD. S means side and D means diagonal. Fourth one, when 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are given, that is SASAA rule. Fifth one, when 3 sides and 2 included angles are given, that is SASAS rule. In this session, we will discuss first 2 methods, that is when 4 sides and 1 angle are given. Second one, when 4 sides and 1 diagonal are given. In this session, we will discuss these 2 methods. Using these 2 methods, how can we construct a quadrilateral using these measurements? Children, all of you note down these points also in your notebook. These are very, very, very important. In this session, we will discuss first two models, that is SSSSA rule and SSSSD rule. Using these rules, that means using these methods, how can we draw the quadrilateral? That means how can we construct a quadrilateral? Let's see. Now children, let us construct a quadrilateral ABCD with the given sides and one angle. Given 4 sides and one angle. First we have to draw a rough figure. For any construction, we have to draw a rough figure. So draw a rough figure. Your wish. So A, B, C, D. AB 5.5 centimeters, BC 3.5 centimeters, CD 4 centimeters, AD 5 centimeters, and at angle A 45 degrees. Okay children, now let us construct actual figure. Now actual figure. So this is we have to draw with the given measurements accurately. For this we have to use the ruler, that is scale, and the compass. See children, the compass needles, the two needles should be equal in length. Okay, so now first we have to draw the line segment AB 5.5 centimeters. So put the scale on your book and draw a line segment 5.5 on in your notebook. So here from 0 to 5.5 means 5 after 5 lines, 5.5. So draw a line segment 5.5 AB, A and B, 5.5 centimeters. Okay children, now we have to construct at A angle 45 degrees. So let us take the compass. Let us take the protractor. So by taking protractor, keep the middle point at A, and this line will be on the line which have drawn. So from 0 onwards, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45. Here 45. So we have to draw a ray AX. This is the ray AX with an angle 45 degrees. Okay children, here in the right corner, simply write down the construction steps. While drawing the figure only, we will write construction steps. First, what we have drawn AB is equal to, AB line segment is equal to 5.5 centimeters. Okay. Next, what is the second one? At A, draw an angle 45 degrees. Now, what is the another measurement? We have to know D. So, on AX, we have to locate the point D. So, from A, it is 5 centimeters distance. So, now let us take again the ruler, that means scale, and measure 5 centimeters with the scale. See children, 5 centimeters. So, with A as center, draw an arc on X. The intersecting point is D. So, with A as center and 5.5 centimeters. So, this is 5 centimeters. AD is 5 centimeters. And 5 centimeters as radius. Draw an arc on X-ray. Okay. Now, what we have to find? A versus A, B, D are located. Again, C. So, we have to find C vertex. So, where is the C vertex? From B, it is 3.5 centimeters distance, and from D, it is 4 centimeters distance. So, what we have to do now? With B as center, again take the ruler and from B 3.5 centimeters. So, 3.5 centimeters take as 3.5 centimeters radius. Okay. So, with B as center, draw an arc with 3.5 centimeters as radius. Okay. Now, from D, it is 4 centimeters distance. So, again you take 4 centimeters as with center. See children, from 0, it is 4 centimeters. Now, from D, that means with D as center, draw another arc which cuts the previous arc. So, here it is not cutting. That means we have to extend this arc. So, again take 3.5 centimeters as radius. So, take 3.5 centimeters as radius and extend the arc. Now, the intersecting point is C. So, join B and C, join C and D. So, BC is 3.5 centimeters and CD is how many centimeters? 4 centimeters. So, now again steps. With B as center, and 3.5 centimeters as radius. Draw an arc. Okay, children. Again, with D as center and 4 centimeters as radius. Draw another arc which cuts previous arc. Intersecting point is C. Join BC and DC. So ABCD is required quadrilateral. Required quadrilateral. Again, we construct a parallelogram PQRS with the given measurements. See here, only 3 measurements are given, children. But while constructing a quadrilateral, we will need 5 measurements. As I told earlier, for constructing a quadrilateral, 5 measurements will require. But here 3 measurements. Where is the other 2? Okay. Now, what is this diagram? Parallelogram. So, first we have to draw the rough figure. So, draw the rough figure. All of you know how the parallelogram will be. P, Q, R. Yes. Why? Because here PQR is a acute angle. That's why I draw in this way. So here 60 degrees. Okay, children. Now, what is the measurements? PQ 4.5 centimeters and QR 3 centimeters. Children, in the properties of parallelogram, the opposite sides are equal. So here PQ and RS are also equal. So if PQ is 4.5 centimeters, then SR also 4.5 centimeters. Why? Because by since properties of parallelogram. What are the properties of parallelogram? Opposite sides are equal. So here QR is 3 centimeters. Now PS also 3 centimeters. See children, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4 sides and 1 angle. 5 measurements are given. Now let us construct actual figure. Actual figure. Again, draw the line segment PQ is 4.5 centimeters using a ruler. So 4.5 centimeters. See, from 0 to 4.5 centimeters. Draw a line segment PQ. Name it as PQ 4.5 centimeters. Now we have to construct angle 60 degrees at Q. So let us take the protractor and draw the angle 60 degrees. See here. Here line is in this way. So we have to count 0 from here. Now let us draw angle 60 degrees. So From here onwards 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. See here. Mark here 60 and draw QX ray. QX ray. So now here on QX ray we have to locate the point R. So where is R from Q? It is 3 centimeters distance. So again take the ruler and take 3 centimeters as radius. So with Q as center, on QS draw an arc. The intersecting point is R. Here we construct the angle 60 degrees. See the clear, children? It's clear. So now write down construction steps. Up to here, write down the construction steps. So you don't confuse. First we have to draw PQ is equal to 4.5 centimeters. Next, what we have drawn? At Q, angle 60 degrees we have drawn. So at Q, draw an angle 60 degrees. Next, with Q as center and how many centimeters as radius? 3 centimeters and 3 centimeters as radius. Draw an arc on QX. So intersecting point is R. Okay, children. Now PQR are formed. Now another vertex S is not there. So where is S? From P it is 3 centimeters distance and from R it is 4.5 centimeters distance. So now let us take again 3 centimeters as radius. With compass, see children, with compass take 3 centimeters as radius. So with P as center, draw an arc with 3 centimeters as radius. And again, from R it is 4.5 centimeters. From R it is 4.5 centimeters. From R it is 4.5 centimeters. So now let us again take the ruler and take 4.5 centimeters as radius. 4.5 centimeters as radius and with R as center, draw the arc which cuts the previous arc. The intersecting point is S. So now join P and S, join R and S. Okay, so PS 3 centimeters, RS 4.5 centimeters. Okay, children. Now let us write the steps. So with P as center, draw with P as center and 3 centimeters as radius, draw an arc. And with R as center, and 4.5 centimeters as radius. Draw another arc which cuts previous arc. Okay, intersecting point is S. Join PS and RS. So PQRS is our required parallelogram. Okay, children. So here this is the first method of constructing the quadrilaterals using four sides and one angle. Four sides and with one angle. Now construct quadrilateral ABCD with the given measurements. So here angle is not given. That means in second constructions, that means second model construction, we have given 5 measurements. In that one diagonal is given. So 4 sides and one diagonal. 4 sides and one diagonal is given. First you draw rough figure. So A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. So AB is 4.5 centimeters. BC is 5.5 centimeters. CD is 4 centimeters. AD 6 centimeters. And here AC diagonally is 7 centimeters. After rough figure, we have to draw actual figure. How we draw actual figure? Now draw the line segment AB 4.5 centimeters. So take the ruler and mark 4.5 centimeters. So draw the line segment AB 4.5 centimeters. Now after drawing the line segment AB, the vertex C will be there. The vertex C we have to find. So the vertex C from A, it is 7 centimeters at distance, and from B it is 5 centimeters distance. So we have to locate the vertex C. For locating, take the compass and measure 7 centimeters. So with A as center, draw an arc with 7 centimeters as radius. And again from B it is 5 centimeters at distance. So take again 5 centimeters. So from B, draw another arc with radius 5 centimeters which cuts the previous arc at C. So now join BC and AC. So AC is 7 centimeters and BC is 5 centimeters. Afterwards, ABC are found. Another vertex D we have to form. So from A it is 6 centimeters away, and from C it is 4 centimeters away. So taking again 6 centimeters on the compass, 6 centimeters. So from A, draw an arc with 6 centimeters. And again from C it is 4 centimeters away. So now take 4 centimeters. From C, draw another arc with 4 centimeters as radius and mark the intersecting point as D. Now join CD and AD. So AD is 6 centimeters and CD is 4 centimeters. See children, the quadrilateral is ready. The quadrilateral is ready with the given measurements, that means with 4 sides and 1 diagonal. Okay children. For this, write down the construction steps in your own words. Children, another construction, draw the parallelogram ABCD with the given measurements. See here only 3 measurements are given. So in the previous example also, in method 1, we have also discussed. That means in parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. In this also we use same method. That means first you write down rough figure. Rough figure means you can draw simply with your hands. So AB is 6 centimeters. If AB is 6 centimeters, the opposite side CD also 6 centimeters. Next, AD is 4.5 centimeters. So if AD is 4.5 centimeters, the opposite side, that means BC is also 4.5 centimeters. Next, BD. BD means the diagonal. So the diagonal is also 7.5 centimeters. So here 5 measurements are given. Now draw the actual figure. So for actual figure, first of all we have to draw the base. The base means AB. AB is 6 centimeters. So AB is 6 centimeters. AB 6 centimeters. Next, from AB we have to find T vertex. That means it forms a triangle. So from A, the D vertex is 4 centimeters distance. From B, it is 7.5 centimeters distance. So again take 4.5. So from A as center, draw an arc with 4.5 centimeters. Again from B, it is 7.5 centimeters. So take again 7.5 centimeters. With B as center. Now actual figure. So first we have to draw the base AB 6 centimeters. That means AB line segment 6 centimeters. AB 6 centimeters. Next, we have to find the vertex D. Why? Because ABD is a triangle. So in this we can simply find D. It is away from 4.5 centimeters from A, and from B it is 7.5 centimeters. So again take the compass and measure 4.5 centimeters. So with A as center, draw an arc with 4.5 centimeters as radius. Now from B it is 7.5 centimeters. So take again 7.5 centimeters as radius. So from B as center, with B as center, draw another arc which cuts the previous arc at D. So join AD and BD. So AD is 4.5 centimeters. BD is 7.5 centimeters. After that, which vertex we have to find? The vertex C. So the vertex C is away from the B from 4.5 centimeters, and from D it is 6 centimeters away. So again take the ruler and measure 4.5 centimeters. So with B as center and 4.5 centimeters, draw an arc. Again from C it is 6 centimeters away. So 6 centimeters. So with D as center, draw another arc which cuts the previous arc at C. Join BC and CD. So here BC is 4.5 centimeters, CD is 6 centimeters. Now the required quadrilateral, that means this is also a parallelogram. AB, CD with the diagonal BD is completed. Children, from these two methods, do this homework. First one is when four sides and one angle is given, that is first method, SSSSA rule. Second one, when four sides and one diagonal is given, that is SSSSD rule. So do it as homework, and these are all very important models, children. Write down in your notebooks. Thank you, children, and stay safe at home.